Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to talk about how to edit your Facebook page category. So let's get started. As a first step, go to your page by typing the 3 point at the top right. Then type in here. Now go to the profile. Scroll down and go to the about section. Scroll down again and choose this option. Next, scroll down until you reach Detail, then tap Edit. As you can see, here is the category. To edit it, tap the pencil icon. A list of suggested category will appear. Choose the category you want, or you can search for it here. Once you find the category that suits you, tap on it. Finally, save the change. Then tap Save again. And just like that, the category has been changed.